get the sensors for me.
That looks like a ball.
Yeah, I believe it'll pull.
What, right?
Man, turn the wheel down and let me know what's looking at.
What's up, guys? I am headed to Kil-Kare Raceway in Xenia, Ohio. Just got on the interstate here on 26, right outside, or still in Spartanburg. Be in North Carolina here in a few minutes. I'm gonna take a little bit different route this time than I took last year. Last year I just took interstates all the way. This trip I'm going to try out a different route that Stephen Smith, who runs Southeast Gasser Gear, that sells all the t-shirts. He recommended going through Asheville and stay on 26, go up to Kingsport, Tennessee, and then from there, that'll be the end of the interstate. Then from there, just take some back roads. I know Ashland, Kentucky is one town. It'll be going through Chillicothe. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, Kentucky. That'll be another town, and then from there it'll take me straight into the racetrack. No major cities going through, and awesome mountain views. So yeah, it should be a fun one. It's gonna be a long drive, about, I don't know, I think 8 or 9 hours. Probably turn into 10 hours after getting gas and food and bathroom, that kind of stuff. But here we go. Having to take it a little bit slow because I am apparently having some transmission issues. Coming up 26, as soon as I got into North Carolina, hit the first big grade, the saluted grade. I got about a third of the way to halfway up, and I was going about 70. It's a pretty steep grade, so I was in the throttle a decent amount, maybe 60, 70%, and then started getting some shuddering on the transmission. So just got in Ohio about 10 minutes ago, and it is currently raining. So hopefully that is not a sign of how tonight is going to be, or the weekend. And then there's it says 40% chance of rain for tomorrow, but it's what I've seen and shown it in the morning. It should be done around 7 or 8 in the morning. So I hope that's the case, and hope it kind of clears out a little bit after that. So last night did not turn out good. Got here, didn't get to do any interviews. It was raining, drizzling, a decent amount, off and on. But basically spent the night trying to chase the issues on the truck. Hooked up a scan tool, showed a misfire on one cylinder, went to the parts store, got a new spark plug, coil pack, changed it. Now it's showing a misfire on a different cylinder. So I guess I'm just going to ease it back home and see what I can figure out when I get back home. So about to fly the drone and get some drone shots of the track and the facility. So here we go. Well, guys, the almost got done with first round of qualifying, and the bottom pretty much fell out. So I don't know what's going to happen right now, but as you can see, it is still raining, but not. It's let up. It went by pretty quick, but it's still drizzling. But yeah, bottom fell out. So almost got done with first round of qualifying, or first round of elimination. So I don't know what's going to happen at this point. Rain is cleared. It's been a couple hours. I got the track dry and we're about to kick it back off. Looks like we have a decent amount of fans left. That's good fans that are sticking around, but we'll try and get this thing in tonight, hopefully.
All right, now, guys, the first one to the stripe is going to be the winner. There's Adam Lowhorn with a little half-track burnout for you. Dean Jonas in the quick time performance lane. Dean Jonas, a wonderful fabricator with Tommy Mooney. Wayne Stott playing a little cat and mouse. He better get in there. And he trees Leslie Horn. Oh my goodness! They've been fighting a few gremlins after all the repairs they had to make after Shady Side in that Renegade. But he's still in competition and lowering his lap time each round. Casto with a huge hole shot advantage, but that is made up by Odin at the 60-foot marker. Adam Lowhorn, oh, he crosses the center line. And Scott does it again. Kenneth Phillips red light. Coming up next, going to be our B-Gas final. Daniel Haynes out of Holly Springs, South Carolina. This makes his 5th final here. He's won 2 races, looking to make it 3 here today. Looking out this window, I see some very enthusiastic young fans down there, and I'm loving seeing that. Good drag race right here. The incrementals favor Haynes. Daniel Haynes, 3 wins out of 5 finals here at Kil-Kare Dragway for Daniel Haynes. There'll be a lot of celebrating in that pit tonight. Daniel Haynes continues to love it here at Kil-Kare Dragway. Howard all over the racetrack. Howard in it. Oh! Howard touches the wall, but just barely touches the wall. He's going to be fine, folks, but that car got out of control.
I've already done that.
Y'all go check out Chris over at Frank Stein's Garage. He does some great work.
Appreciate you, man.
Yep. Go check him out. And this guy down here with the red on, I think it's Redline Motorsports on Facebook. Go check them out. They cover, they're the Kil-Kare track photographer and videographer, but they go
mustache out.
Yeah, at least check the mustache out. See if I can get it. See if you can see it. You can see the edge of it sticking out there. Another guy y'all need to check out is Fully, let's see, let me get his business card. Fully Torque Custom Photo. John Allen right there. He takes some awesome photos. Pretty sure he is selling prints now. Prints of his photos. So if you see a photo of his you really like, hit him up. And like I said, I'm pretty sure he just bought a printer, and he can print it off for you and send it to you, and you hang it up and frame it.